Catching multiple errors in Python is vital for robust applications. Use a try block for your risky code. Then, employ multiple except clauses to handle distinct error types specifically.
For example, except file not found error or except value error. Alternatively, you can catch several error types with the same logic by listing them as a tuple in a single except statement. Except type error, index error, as e. Use this whenever your code might face different predictable failure conditions and requires tailored responses.
It enables precise error logging, specific user feedback, or controlled recovery, preventing crashes. For instance, if your program reads a file and processes user input, you might accept file not found error for a missing file, and accept value error for invalid data conversion. This allows your application to gracefully handle diverse failures, improving reliability and user experience.
The process_data function demonstrates how to handle various potential issues that can arise during data manipulation by employing try, except, finally blocks. This structure ensures that the program can gracefully recover or report errors without crashing, making it robust against common data-related problems in its operations.
Within the try block, multiple operations are attempted that could lead to different error types. The except, value error, type error, as e. clause efficiently catches errors related to invalid input data formats or types in a single block, allowing for unified error reporting for similar issues. Separate except index error as e. and accept zero division error as e. clauses handle specific list access and arithmetic errors, respectively, enabling distinct handling logic for each.
The except exception as e. serves as a catch-all for any unforeseen errors not explicitly handled by the preceding specific except clauses, preventing unexpected program termination and logging the generic issue. The finally block ensures that a data processing attempt concluded message is always printed, irrespective of whether an error occurred or not, which is useful for cleanup operations or logging the completion of a process.